To maintain the productivity of the land, what do? You keep your soil in place. You keep your fertilizer in place. You keep everything there on the farm. You want to minimize runoff.
Water management is key.
We need to be better stewards of our groundwater. We need to be better stewards of our nutrients and keep the quality of our lakes, improve them.
We've got a real problem that we've got to solve.
The Natural Resources Conservation Service several years ago, in response to looking at how we could help address the hypoxic zone in the Gulf of Mexico, the dead zone, looked at starting an initiative program in the lower Mississippi Delta in the Midwest called the Mississippi River Basin Initiative, MRBI.
The ultimate goal is to try to reduce the amount of nutrient that's actually going into the coastal water. When this request for proposal went out, we really was trying to make sure that there was collaboration. And that's what I think is so important. So if you can imagine, in Mississippi, we have probably about 8 to 10 major partners, in addition to some other groups that's doing some things.
The practices we use are primarily the same ones we use in general conservation: pads and pipes in winter flooding, tailwater, and on-farm storage, because again, they benefit nutrient reduction as well as water conservation in the Delta. In the Mississippi Delta right now, we receive approximately 4 times the number of applications as those we can receive. So the farming community has adopted these practices or interested in these practices, and right now the limitation is the available funds. So many of these practices are rather costly both to the cooperator and to the government through its financial assistance. But again, we continue to see just a high level of interest in our programs and the installation of these practices for both water quantity and nutrient reduction.
I think we're trying to do our part, and it's good that they're helping us to exceed that goal of trying to reduce these nutrients.
It's a win-win-win deal for everybody concerned, for the EPA, for the landowner, for the other people that use the resource.
We've got a good solution in the works, so this is the direction we're going to move forward in. We're going to fix these problems.